Hey everybody, Drake with Parkland Company Heating and Air. Got caught out here because homeowner thought the system was blowing refrigerant. Might be the case, but it's definitely not the only problem. If it's not on right now, it certainly should be. Alright, so immediately as soon as I got the door to the electrical cabinet off, it was clear that we had another problem. We'll come over here, Patrick. You can see, just looking at it, we've got a bad capacitor. This thing is swollen and puffy. Anytime it looks like this, it is bad. There's no need to measure anything. When the capacitor swells like this, gotta change it.